I'll show you how you can add a gift card onto your Dunkin app. First off, you'll have to of course get the gift card on the buy now section. But the Dunkin card, you can see this is how you activate it. You'll have to go to your email and then you have to tap on get your card there. Now, once you tap on get your card, your $5 will be added to your balance, right? Now, if you want to activate it, you will have to go to scan or pay. And then you can see right now there is a $5 gift card up there, $5 there, right? You need to activate it. Now, let's just activate it with a quick reload. Now, on quick reload, pick whichever amount you want. I'm just going to pick $7, but you can pick $2 or $5. Now, I'm going to click on $7 and I'm going to pick a Max or American Express. And then after that, I'm going to click on $7 added, right? And then after that, you can see on my balance, the card activation is $5 and the card reload is also $7, making a huge total of $12. And then that's it. You can start using your gift card with some added balance of $12. So you got $5 and then a card reload of $7. You're done.